Hey, Mike, and the markets were down on Friday, but that did not stop some of these EV stocks from really taking off. Case in point is Electraneccanica Vehicles Corp, stock ticker SOLO, SOLO, trades on the NASDAQ. The stock was up over 12% yesterday after rising really high from going up from like 9 to almost to over 13. Huge gains, dropped off a little bit. That's because the market finished weak, but still a 12% gain after the stock has just really started off the week at 6. It's up almost 80% after more than doubling. So if you don't know what this company does, they're a Canadian EV automaker, and right now their product is this sort of 1C car, very unusual looking vehicle. However, I don't think that's the biggest story here with this company. They do have some other vehicles that I think are really interested, and I actually think will lead to better sales. One is which is this Roadster that's currently in production. I think it looks much more attractive. It'll obviously have more of a mainstream audience. I don't know exactly when it's coming out, but it has a range of 250 miles, 0 to 60 in about 5 seconds. It looks gorgeous, obviously not as fast as a Tesla, but my guess is probably it's not going to be as expensive. So they're probably if you're looking for a Roadster that's a little less expensive than the $250,000 Tesla Roadster that's going to come out, and it's an EV. This is a very attractive looking vehicle. I can see a lot of people who like a Miata who may want to go for this Roadster. And also, in addition to this, they also have a vehicle known as the E-Roadster, which I think is very, very cool. It's a retro looking electric Roadster and looks really nice. Has some classic lines, and I think there's definitely an audience for that. Now, bear in mind this is sort of a niche vehicle, but the stock is it's a sub $1 billion company, so it only has to go up to maybe a $3 or $4 billion valuation to get a triple or a quadrupling of the stock. And the fact is, it's just like any legitimate EV company is going to be rising really quickly over the next 5, 10, 15 years, because the trend we're moving towards is towards electric vehicles. So these little companies, if they have a legit product, if they have an audience, if you feel like they can fulfill a niche, go ahead and check them out. And the great thing about this stock is that it already had its intraday pullback. It may pull back a little more, but if you're looking for an electric EV company that's under $1 billion that you want to take a shot on, definitely take a look at Solo and go ahead and check out their vehicles. I definitely think they have some potential, or maybe not to be a big player like a NIO or Tesla, but definitely fill out a niche and have a healthy, give you some healthy returns on the stock. So I hope you enjoyed this update. If you did, go ahead and subscribe, because I do multiple daily updates on finding the hottest stocks. That includes everything from penny stocks to EV stocks to tech stocks, even traditional value stocks. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.